up with you? It's your girl Indonesia here, and I am back with another hair video. Today I'm doing mini twists, and if you want to see how cheetahs look, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're starting with freshly washed hair. So I already started on the back of my hair, completed it, and I'm just going to be showing you guys the front section of my hair and how I twist it. Y'all see those? Yes, nice, juicy, moisturized. Okay. Okay, let's get into the hang time because baby girl got length. Don't let the shrinkage fool you. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take that crusty, dusty top part ponytail out, and I'm getting situated. Gotta put the towel around your shoulders, cause you know, starting with some water, some tea tree oil grease. And we have some Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream with, you need some hair clips, comb, brush of course, and hair ties to section your hair. So I'm just using my nose as a central point to part in my hair. And honey, that stuff was naughty, cause yeah. So this is just me trying to get my part together. It was a little frustrating, but I eventually got it, and bam. So I just was trying to figure out what side I wanted to work on first, and yeah, no, is that the side? I don't know, maybe not. I was just real confused. So I started on that side, and I sprayed it with water first. Squirt. Gotta get my hair, you know, damp. Don't want to work on dry hair, cause yeah. So after doing the initial middle part, I take that side section and part it again to make two halves on that one side. Smaller sections to work with because we're doing mini twists though. So now you section that with a hair clamp, and we need to spray somewhere because my roots were still pretty dry. So taking a bit of the Eden Curl Defining Cream, put that on our roots all the way down to the ends, yeah. And I gotta comb that out with my Denam Brush, well, brush it out, because, yeah. And now I'm taking my comb again to make another smaller section to work with. To get into the parts, baby, yes. I'm just using my rat tail comb to do my individual section parts that I will be twisting. Okay, so this is just a simple two-strand twist. I'm just cleaning up my parts, getting it together, and yeah, simple two-strand twist. Split it in half and just start twisting from the root down to the end. It's very simple. Twist. Oh yes, it's my jam. Y'all see that? Get into it. And sometimes I add a little more cream to the end so it can curl back up, because you know your fingers might start to hurt when you got smaller sections. So just use a little more curling cream, wrap it around your finger, and you get that spiral bounce back curl at the end. Love that. So now just doing some more twists on you guys in these little sections, because mini twists require little sections. And yes, my hair was just like bomb. Like, I don't know the last time I did this style, but it looked good, okay?
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta.
So I'm still just twisting my hair, doing the same process over and over, and just making sure everything is smooth and moisturized as I twist through my hair.
I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours.
Obviously, I'm feeling myself a little bit. It's looking real good. Hold up. Oh, she done that half. Okay. So I already started on the other side because it's the same process over and over again. And yeah, this is what my hair looks like. Nice clean parts, moisturized twist, and now I just have that small section to finish up at the top of my head. So we just spraying water again on our roots and to the ends. Entire length of my hair. Make sure it's nice and wet, damp. Yes. Taking a great amount of the curl defining cream. Yes, yes. And we just smoothing that out with the Denam Brush, especially for our ends. You know, want those to be easy. Finger slicking, you know, to go through. Slick, slick. Taking our red tail comb, making a smaller section to work with.
When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back. I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better.
So I'm just parting my hair. So the thing with the front part of my hair right there is that my hair is pretty short. It's like it broke off at some point, I guess, or it just grows really short right there. So this twist is like probably one of the shortest twists of my hair, and it's always been like that on both sides of my hair, on both the left and right side. I just have short lengths of hair right there. But I mean, I still twist them, still do 'em, so they can still be of equal proportion throughout my hair. Okay, so your girl is just twisting, and y'all see that length? I was like, hold up, wait a minute. But yeah, just twisting, twisting, and we have like about two more to go on this row, and we just twist, twist, twist.
Me better when I was
But look at that length. Like what? Almost 2 years since my big chop. Oh, coming through. Hey.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but
So I'm on the final row. And wait a minute. Hold up. Wait. Bye. Oh. Look at that. Yes. So this is the final look. And they look pretty damn good. Got some nice pots. Moisturized hair. I'm like, yes. I'm loving the curly ends. So now we are going to do the final touches. We're moisturizing our scalp, greasing our scalp with some tea tree oil, some coconut and argan oil. Yes, yes. Ooh, yes. This stuff smells so good. And I used it when I had short hair, and it really grew my hair a lot. So I just pat it on to my scalp, the coconut and argan oil. I do it like on the perimeter of my head, cause yeah. Taking the grease. It was like nothing on there. I had to go again. Putting that on the perimeter of my head. And yeah, get into it, honey. Yes. throughout the week, I add extra moisture directly to my scalp if needed. But on the first day, I just like to put a little slap on the side. And this is the final look. Look at that moisture, juicy definition, giving enough volume, enough oomph. Very nice, very nice. Love the final look.
Just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid.
Honey was feeling herself. Yes.
Thanks
the
for
over
watching.
shoulder
Don't forget
look.
to like, comment, and
And
subscribe.
that is my look.
If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you.